Do you guys like his fake cough? Oh my goodness. You are so funny. Oh. Okay. You can do it. You're so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is his new trick, you guys. Anyways, good afternoon. I didn't put very much makeup on, so I'm very freckly. And there's little Hudson dressed and up from his nap. I worked for an hour this morning. I'm trying to get more hours, just need more money, so no Molly. No. I'm mad at her. She puked on the couch, you guys. Like, it was disgusting, and I felt so bad this morning because I know Sky was getting ready for work and he didn't want to clean it up. But I tried to clean it, like I cleaned up some of it, and I literally started like puking because of the smell. Like I was like, like I was gagging. And oh, so I felt bad that he had to clean it, finish cleaning it. I did some of it and I like Cloroxed the area after and whatnot, but I'm over it. So I ordered, don't look at me like that. She's all, you're talking mean about me. I'm gonna glare. I'm going to order, it's an add-on item on Amazon though, but I'm gonna subscribe to them, so next month it won't be an add-on item, but this month I have to order it, so when we order something or if Sky needs something off Amazon, we'll add it to it. But anyways, I'm gonna order these supplements that are like treats that you give them, and it's supposed to help a lot because it's hairballs that are making her sick, you know, so I'm gonna see if it helps, and I'm hoping it does because I'm over the cat puke, you guys. Over it. What else was I gonna tell them? But yeah, anyways, Hudson's very into the TV today. I don't even have the sound on and he's watching it, and he never watches TV. Apparently he likes this commercial maybe. He always, or like lately, the intro songs he really likes, and like Mickey and Miles from Tomorrowland and all of those, like he'll watch the intro, but today he's like actually watching the TV. It's weird. So I might have to turn it off here in a little bit but he just usually isn't really into it. But I'm gonna make us some lunch. We're just gonna have leftover macaroni, and I did the dishes and cleaned some, so gotta do some laundry too. We have quite the laundry pile accumulated. So yeah, anyways, this is a really long clip, so I'm gonna go have fun with this little cutie patootie. Oh, no more coughs. Just fun with our toy, huh? Really? Do you guys like his curl? Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. I put his hair wasn't, I didn't really brush it out last night, so it kind of did whatever it wanted. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna go. Bye. He is really liking their Saucony Jolies today. Hi, are you watching Saucony Jolies with Mama? We watch him every day, but normally I watch him while I'm like getting ready and stuff, so he doesn't see him.
It is a Monday morning. There's school,
yeah.
There's swimming, there's activities, there's so much to do.
Oh, we lost him. No, too distracted by the Hydra that I took apart. We scrubbed her down, huh? Scrubbed it, we threw the base in the wash, and I scrubbed everything else over there. But now I'm gonna make us some lunch. I think I already said that. I was gonna do that, but I was putting it off of you. I don't like to feed him like immediately when he wakes up. I kind of try to put it a little bit in between. So yeah. Hudson, no. Not in the mouth, bub. Hudson, not in the mouth. She's gonna bite you. She's gonna bite you. Can you let go? Keep your tail to you, Molly. Keep it like tucked under. Oh. You can do it. You can do it, bud.
Stand up.
That's a very dramatic no.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Oh, he was on too cranky. Look who's home from work, you guys. This hard-working fella. Hudson's very ready for a nap, I think. Are you? Yeah, I'm gonna go put him down. Let's go sleep. Frozen banana war. No. No. I can't get Oh my god. I'm so cold.
Where'd Chip and Joanna go? Chip, I need you to hold that up there.
We take the worst house in the best neighborhood and we turn it into our client's dream.
Are y'all ready to see this rapper?
Ninja.
Do you have the guts to take on this rapper?
I'm done.
My socks are so slippery. Okay, my hand's really cold. Oh, I'm gonna make banana bread later, but man, are my hands cold after that. Those were freezing. We all had dinner. Hudson's just sitting there chewing on a spoon while we had our banana fight.
Why are you backing up?
Got the banana. I got the banana. Oh my gosh, these get soft so fast. Got the banana. Got the banana. You're gonna like. You cracked the bottom.
Well, put it away.
I lose. Oh man, is my hand cold though. Brr. Brr.
Ow.
Brr.
This is my wife, Lindy.
Did you get him? Did you get him? Get him, get him, get him, get him. Whoa! Alright, I'm gonna clean him up. Well, you guys, it is that time of the night. Hudson is super tired. I laid on the floor and he just kept crawling up and he'd like put his head on my tummy and just start sucking his thumb, which sucking his thumb always means it's bedtime. So we're gonna nurse and go to bed. Can you say goodnight? Can you smile? All right, good night, you guys. We hope you had an amazing day. Good night.